Hey, Sugar Plum, Mama's back with a whole new another one. This is the Ugly Resin Artist from Craftsaintperfect, and today we are talking about a few things that I found essential for when I started pouring resin. So if you are a beginner and you are just starting out, then this may be the video for you. The first thing we're going to discuss is a respirator. You need one. There's no two ways about it, no compromise, no option. You need it. Period, point blank. Or you might sound like a young man like me and you don't want that. No. You definitely need a respirator. Next up, gloves. No compromise. You just need them. 6mm black. That's my choice. You can use any type you want. Next, baby wipes. Fragrance free, of course. You don't want to wipe your stuff down or sanitize your stuff and it smells like a baby. The next thing will be 99% alcohol. That is for popping bubbles and cleaning resin with no problem. 99% alcohol cleans resin, no issues at all. Next, you're going to need a heat gun. You may want to blow your resin around to make different patterns. You may want to use it to pop bubbles, but it is a necessity. A long neck lighter. I can't stress this enough. You definitely need one of these, not a torch, because a torch can melt your mold. Next, this is just a sanding kit, just to sand some things down like edges and whatever I got going on that may be sharp. Resin does come out sharp, so I just put together this little sanding kit. I got this from Amazon. And I just put a few sheets of sandpaper in there with a brush and some sanding sponges and Bob's your uncle, right? Moving on. Now, you're definitely gonna need molds. That's just what it is. You can make your own molds, but you're gonna need them regardless as to whether you make them or buy them. The resin has to go somewhere, and I choose to buy mine. I make a couple, but not really. I'm just not that good at it. Now, you're going to need a UV lamp. And that's if you choose to use UV resin. This is a very powerful one. I have a UV box, a wireless lamp, and a flashlight. So, just some type of UV lamp. And here is the UV. So, you're going to need the UV resin as well. Glitter. You're definitely gonna need glitter. I mean, if you like sparkly things like I like sparkly things, you should definitely invest in some type of glitter. Find out what's your favorite, get some, you'll love it. It's beautiful in resin. We also have a deburring tool. This will take off sharp edges like so. So I just pull it on down the side and look, it took off the little sharp bit. And everybody's happy. It does make your edges a little ashy, I'm just saying. And then we have the drill. The handheld drill. This is plain and simple. I think I paid $20 for this drill. It came with a bunch of crap, and it's wireless. Also, these are lifesavers. These get like your over pour off. You just kind of snip it off. Mine, be careful. You might want to wear goggles for this, because these little bits fly all around the place. Thus, you might want to protect your eyes. The next thing is silicone placemat. Not silicone mat, silicone placemat. Baby, this will change your life because it changed mine. Look how easy it wipes off. I cannot wipe off silicone mats like that. But placemats, they're totally different. Now, under that placemat is a heating table. Some type of heating source to heat up your resin so you can get it done quick, fast, and in a hurry. Next up, we have mixing sticks. So we have the tall black one, the short red one, and the blue shorter one. Those first three are silicone. The yellow one is plastic, and the popsicle stick is wooden, and then there is a silicone spat. And the reason that I have that is because I sometimes need to get the resin project that I just poured out of the way. or you can put your resin project on a sturdy board like this Cricut board here, and you can just move it out of your way for what you have coming up next. Now, I did not want to overwhelm you guys, so I did not put a whole bunch of stuff in here, although there is more. So I will be back with more to come. Thank you for watching.